So Lucas helped me put the bottom hemlock board on most of this. We need another piece, about a 2-foot piece. I'll have to pick that up today or tomorrow down at Zehr State. And we also need to pick up a bag of the quick wall concrete. That's the stuff that has the fiber in and really sticks good, because we're going to do this bottom edge here. So I'm out, so I need to pick up. I hate to have that on hand too long because it tends to harden, pull moisture in from the air and harden. Okay, so time to move on to our next project. Since we're at a standstill on this one, it's moving along good, but no sense of making extra trips for a few things. Plus, the store's not open for the quick wall anyways. So let's move on to our wood shop. It's fall out, the leaves are falling, and we've had this issue with the roof for years, and I just didn't deal with it. So what it is we're in the trees here, and there's still that big tree in back there, which I may take down one of these days to give my honeybees a little bit more light. But Lucas clipped off a bunch of the small trees that were encroaching on the shop here. I just took down 2 bigger ones today and a couple little small ones. So we got it cleared out more. But if we go up here, we're going to go onto the roof. Well, actually, we'll go around back. You can see the moss, or the growth, is coming over the edges. That's how much there is. I mean, there's a lot. You see how it's coming over the edge? So and down here's I've really never seen it do this before. I guess it's sliding down and coming over the edge. So we're going to go up onto the roof. We're going to walk by our honeybees right here, and hopefully none of them run into us and get mad and sting us. Oh, made it. Okay, so now we're going to go up on the roof. And I got the broom and the rake. Now the thing is, this is an asphalt shingle roof. And you can see how bad it is. It's pretty bad. It's not leaking yet, but it doesn't look good. Eventually I want to take this off and put metal on, but I think it's still in good shape. We'll know better after we remove a bunch of this. So I think this is going to be a 2 or 3 stage project. And we're not going to get it all off. I know that. One day it's coming all off is when the whole roof comes off and the metal starts going on. But we're going to clean it off much better than it is. And maybe the growth will slow down with more light getting in here. So I'm going to try. The thing is, we don't want to rub on the roof too hard because we don't want to pull the stone off. So I'm not sure how this is going to go, but I need to put the video down now, and we're going to give it a shot, and we'll tell you how it went. Oh, we may need to do a layer, or let it dry some, and then do some more. I think it needs time to dry in between to get more off, because then it's flakier. You can see how it's on there pretty good. Okay, let's get started.